Good morning. I am Dharani, working as assistant professor in SNS College of Technology in Food Technology Department. I am going to explain about methods of cooking. Different cooking methods are suited to different kinds of foods. For example, some meats are high in connective tissues and are tough unless this tissue is broken down slowly by moist heat. Other meats are low in connective tissue and naturally tender. They are at their best and juiciest when cooked with dry heat to a rare or medium done stage. Many other factors must be considered when choosing cooking methods for meat, fish, and vegetables, such as flavor and appearance imparted by browning, the flavor imparted by fats, firmness, or delicacy of the product. Cooking methods are classified as moist heat method of cooking. Moist heat methods are those in which the heat is conducted to the food product by water or water based liquids such as stock and sauces, or by steam. The following are the moist heat method of cooking: boiling, poaching, steaming, stewing, braising. Boiling is the cooking of prepared food in a liquid at boiling point. The liquid may be water, contribution, milk, or stock. The purpose of boiling food is pleasant taste and agreeable flavor, suitable texture, easy to digest, and safe to eat. Two way of boiling: place food in boiling liquid, reboil and then reduce heat. Cover the food with cold liquid, boil and then reduce the heat. Poaching is the cooking of food in the required amount of liquid at just below boiling point. Purpose of poaching: easy to digest, to get suitable tender texture, pleasant to eat as appropriate sauce is made from cooking liquid. Two ways of poaching: shallow poaching, deep poaching. Steaming is the cooking of prepared food by steam under varying degree of pressure. Purpose of steaming: easy to digest, to get edible texture, pleasant to taste, retain maximum nutrition. Method of steaming: atmospheric or low pressure steaming, direct and indirect, high pressure steaming. There is a equipment built such that it does not allow steam to escape. Therefore, pressure of steam is built up, thus increasing the temperature and reducing the cooking time. Stewing is the slow cooking of food, cut into pieces and cooked in the minimum amount of cooking liquid. The food and liquid are served together. Braising is a method of cooking in the oven. Unlike roasting or baking, the food is cooked in the liquid in covered pan. This is combination of stewing and pot roasting. Purpose of braising: to give variety to menu and diet. Food becomes tender, palatable, digestible, and safe to eat. Methods of braising: brown braising, white braising. Dry heat method of cooking. Dry heat methods are those in which heat is conducted without moisture, that is by hot air, hot metal, radiation, or hot fat. We usually divide dry heat method into two categories: without fat and with fat. Dry heat method of cooking are used or as under baking, roasting, grilling. Baking is a cooking of food by dry heat in an oven, in which the action of dry heat is modified by steam. Purpose of baking: to make food palatable, digestible, and safe to eat, to create eye appeal through color and texture, to produce an enjoyable eating quality, to lead a variety in menu card. Dry baking. Methods of baking: dry baking. In this method, when food is placed in preheated oven, Steam arises from water content of food. This steam combines with the dry heat of oven is used to cook food. Baking with increased humidity, baking with heat modification. Roasting is to cook food over a source of radiant heat such as on spit, open fire or oven. Now the term roasting is also used to describe cooking of food in an oven with addition of fat or oil. Method of roasting: the marinated food such as meat, fish or poultry is placed vertically inside the oven. Grilling: this is the fast method of cooking by radiant heat and is also known as broiling. This is the following four types: overheat, underheat, between heat and barbecuing. Overheat: food is cooked over hot grill bars. Underheat: the source of heat to cook the food is over the food. Between the heat: this is grilling the food in between electrically heated grill bars or plates. Thank you.